Alright, now that we have got our doors and windows, and as you can see, I've placed some more windows and doors on my building to show you some modifications that I ended up making right here with this bedroom. I had to stretch this hallway out so everyone could access this bathroom. So I just extended the hall, moved his door over here to the side. Now I hate it when I get this result, this shape right here. I feel like this is just a lot of wasted space. However, sometimes you do what you got to do. And anytime you do that, you still got to make sure you have clearly 70 square foot of uninterrupted space with no measurement across the room less than 7 feet. So I'm going to take this larger portion of the room and make sure that I'm still within code. Now that is 10 feet. I'm good to go. And from here to here is 10 feet 1 inch. I'm good to go. I don't really have to worry about this. As long as I got 70 square feet of clear, uninterrupted space, I am golden again. But that's the modification I made there. Placed some more doors around. I placed 2 single pocket doors for these closets. I placed a sliding door for this pantry and one for this closet. And, finished putting in my windows, or many of my windows, not all of them. I still have some to place. Once I do my cabinetry, I'll place my kitchen window. But now we want to actually place bathroom fixtures, your plumbing fixtures, because everybody's going to have to go to the bathroom at some point in time or another, and we just cannot do that outdoors anymore. So to place these bathroom fixtures, I'm going to go to component this time. Not windows, not doors, but component. Everything besides windows and doors, everything else falls under components. And you see here, I have a desk, some furniture, which is already preloaded. So I'm going to go to load family, and I am going to find a bathtub. And let's see, fixture, furniture, pipe, plumbing, architectural, fixtures, bathtubs. Now, of course, the selections in Revit are very basic. There's not a lot to choose from. So, just do the best you can, and or you can download some later from Revit City is a place that you can go to. There's actually others that you can go to. GrabCAD is another one that I could think of off the top of my head. Gosh, there are some more. But I'm just going to go with this freestanding tub for the master bathroom. I'm going to open that. And I'm going to place that tub. Let's see, I'm thinking about what all else I want in this bathroom. So the freestanding tub won't necessarily go right up against the wall. Now I'm hoping I got enough room for a shower. So component, load family, and let's find what are our showers. Shower stall. Okay, just a plain old everyday shower stall. I believe that's a 32 by 32. Okay, just enough room. Now I can do something and make this a little bit more aesthetically pleasing and rotate this tub. Kind of put it sort of in the corner. And then move it to where it's, where it's not in the wall. Okay, so that'll work perfectly. I'm looking at this and I'm saying to myself, I'm really missing some space here. So I am going to have to, this double French door here, I'm going to have to eliminate, and I'm going to have to go with something more, traditional, and just go with like a single glass door or something. Probably putting it down here on this corner because we have to use the bathroom. I mean, not really, but just in theory, inside of this plan, you're going to eventually have to, or whoever's in there is going to eventually have to use the bathroom. And we use what's called water closets. That's kind of another name for a toilet, is a water closet. And just a regular domestic toilet is all we need. And again, you can download many different options of that online. And I think what we'll do is we'll put it right here. And we will move this closet door down. I can't move it too far because it's kind of goes into a pocket situation in the wall. All right. So there, and not going to have a lot of room for like vanity space or anything like that. You know, that's really my fault with the design. I could make some other alterations to fit more cabinet space or more vanity space in that bathroom. But, you know, I would not want to bore you to death as I'm already doing. So let's go ahead and leave it at that. And then we'll do the bathroom in this other, or do the plumbing fixtures in this other bathroom. Of course, they do need a toilet as well. I'm going to hit the space button. You can hit the space button to rotate your objects. Okay, and let's see, the toilet will go. Let's put him over here. Now, one thing I like to do in bathrooms is place like a partition wall. And we're just going to use a real thin wall. We're not going to use the regular 4 7/8. We're going to use a 3 1/8 partition. And I'm going to place it about right here. Now, there are some codes that are involved here as well with the placement of some of your plumbing fixtures. There has to be 15 inches from the center to any wall. Okay, and that is 12, 13, 14, and 7/8. So I'd have to scoot that over just a little bit to get it. And of course, over here to this side, we need some more space there as well. Okay, so we're just gonna, you know, bump that down a couple of notches. Doesn't matter if it's over 15 inches, it just cannot be under 15 inches. That should take care of it. And actually, these guys are going to probably have more cabinet, vanity space than the master bedroom. But of course, they also have a separate shower and bathtub. But I am going to place there was another shower in here, just a plain old, or bathtub, or maybe it was a shower, no, bathtub. This one here, just a combo unit. And again, you can download more of these. So this is a wall-hosted combo unit. It's probably best to put this on this wall over here. Flip it around. There we go. Now that will have a tub and shower. And then I'll have some more vanity work with sinks and things right there. And I'll save that for another video.